Hello all, welcome to this series. In this session, I am going to start automating the another functionality of this application, that is the logout functionality. So in the last session, I've implemented some framework concepts. So we are done with that. Few more framework concepts we are going to implement after few functionalities get automated. After that, we'll implement them. Okay, it may take a while. Okay, but for now we'll start automating different functionalities for a while. Okay, so I'll start with the logout functionality, that is case number one. Okay, so let's first understand the test case. Verify logging out by selecting logout option from the my account drop menu. So we need to open the application URL and user is logged in. Okay, click on my account drop menu and then select logout option and click on the continue button. When I do that, user should be taken to the account logout page and the user should see login option in place of the logout under the my account drop menu. And you see, when you see logout option, user should be taken here. And when you click on the continue button, you should be taken to the home page. Okay, these are the verifications I need to do. So let me automate this. To automate this, guys, we need to stay logged in the application. So yeah, we'll start automating. We'll start automating. So I'll just create logout.java here. I'll just say logout. Click on finish and now create. Okay, I'll simply say public class logout here and public class logout. And in that public class logout, I'm going to create um, some TestNG test methods, that is public void verify logging out using my account my account drop menu. Okay, verify logging out using my account drop menu @test for the mouse on this and import this test from TestNG library and here write down the code. So before this, I'll write the setup method and tear down method here, public void setup, and here I'll write down before method annotation and hover the mouse on this, import this from TestNG library, and here write down uh, the simply say web driver, simply say public web driver. Like this, you write import this web driver from Selenium library. And after that, the next thing here that you need to do is you need to open the application page URL, okay, and all those stuff. So for that to happen, we'll go to the base and we'll call this method, that is open browser application. Okay, I'll call this method from here, put a semicolon here, and here I'll say extends base class. Import this base from that base package. Put it in the base package. Hold the mouse on this, it will return you the web driver. Driver is equal to, and here already web driver is declared. What is the next thing? Once we open the application browser up and once we open the browser and application, you see, for verifying the logout functionality, always we have to log in. Okay, user is logged in and is on the account page. User is logged in. User is logged in. Okay, like that many places you see. So here, open the application, click on verify logout option is not displayed under the my account. Okay, fine. Few things are like that, few things are not like that. Okay, so for most of the things will not start right here. Okay, so anyhow, we'll be there on the landing page at least, right? Anyhow, we'll be there on the landing page. So what I'll do here is I'll create an object for the landing page. Landing page is equal to new landing page. Okay, like this, I'll create an object for the landing page. Page object class we already created, right? Landing page. Where is that landing page? Yeah, landing page. I'm just creating an object for the landing page. So initially, we'll be on the landing page, so I'm doing that. Okay, so hold the mouse, import this. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, from the landing page, do we have to take it forward or something? We have to see. And here also, I'll create another method, that is public void tear down method. Okay, and here I'll write down at the rate after method, and hold the mouse on this and import this from TestNG library. And here I'll say driver.quit method. Here I'll say driver.quit method, and that's it. And here I'll write some code here if driver is not equal to null. Okay. I think I created one user defined method for that. Go to the login and see is there any. Okay, I'm writing the bare code. Okay, fine. I'm writing the bare code everywhere. Can we reduce these lines a bit? Can we reduce these lines a bit in the register or something? Okay, this code I want to reduce it. How to reduce this? Okay, so here close the browsers. Okay, close browser. Okay, close browser. Some method I'll create in the I'll go to the base and you see any methods are there here. Yeah, here navigate and all these methods are there. Public void close browser, I'll say close browser. Okay. And here I'll pass WebDriver. I'll pass the driver here. And here I'll write the code. If sorry, if driver is not equal to null, you see this kind of ideas will get often. Okay. And then driver dot pitch. That's it. You don't have to return anything. You just have to simply close the browser if the driver is not equal to null. So here I need to call this method. Okay. Whenever I want to close the browser, right? Whether it is in login.java, go to the tear down method and okay, simply pass the driver here. Simply pass the driver here and this will close the browser. Okay, close browser and just need to pass the driver and it close the browser. Okay, you see how simple I'm making the script. Okay, and go to the logout.java and here also pass the driver here. Okay, this also will close the browser. What is the next one then? Restart.java here also remove this line and simply say close browser. These are the ideas we are going to get and this how our project framework will get improvised. Okay, so whatever that needs, right, we just keep on creating such kind of stuff. Okay, so fine, that task is done. This is going to work fine. Okay, so just go to the logout.java now again, and here we have written this, and here we got the driver and landing page is called new landing page. And let's see, we need to open the application URL and user should get logged in. Okay, that's the next thing. Okay, we should open the application URL that will happen here, and we need to user should get logged in. Okay, user should get logged in. How the user can get logged in? How the user can get logged in? In order for the user to get logged in, I have to say landing page dot all these lines I need to write. Okay, click on my account drop menu, then landing page dot select login option, then landing page. When I select the login option, you will be taken to the login page. Hold the mouse on this and you are taken to the login page here. You are taken to the login page, and here I need to write the code like this: login page dot enter email. Here I need to enter an email address. That is from the properties file. I'll get prop dot get. I'm not getting the properties file here. Why I'm not getting the properties file? I need to load the properties file. Okay. How to load the properties in the base.java? We have created a method to load the properties file. I think so. I think in the common utilities that is there. Okay. Not here. So here I will simply say common. Here in the src main Java under the common utils, we have load properties kind of method is there, and this return type of this load properties method is a properties. Okay, prop is equal to, hold the mouse on this and say okay, load properties file and properties. I'll just declare it properties like this. Is there any problem here? Properties, import this properties from java.util package and copy this part and take it to the high level and simply provide that and remove this and say prop is equal to common utils.load properties. Now you simply need to write down prop dot get properties, get property of what is the property name that I want to get. I want to get the valid email. Okay, existing email. Otherwise, where is the existing email, guys? Okay, let's see the existing email. Existing email is there here. Copy that existing email. I should get logged in first. Okay. To log out, first I need to log in, right? For that, we need to write like this. Login page dot enter password you have to write. In the enter password, prop dot get property. And here write down, enter the password here. That is, what is the password here? Uh, Password is again, we have to go to the properties file and get the valid password here. What is the valid password? Let's see what is the valid password here. Valid password. Copy this valid password and go here and paste it here. That's it. You enter the valid password and we have to click on the login button. Login page dot click on login button. Okay, I need to click on the login button. Then, as per the prerequisites for this particular test, it is done so far. Okay, the user got logged in now. Okay, click on. Then I need to click on my account drop menu and select logout option and all the stuff I need to do. From the log, you see when I click on the login button, I'll be taken to account page basically. Okay, I'll be taken to the user should be taken to the account. Okay, not that one. Okay, I'll be on the account page here. Over the mouse, account page. Account page is equal to, okay, and then simply write down account page dot, okay, dot uh, okay, edit your account information, logout. Did we navigate to account page is one thing. Okay, is there any other method coming? No, that's not coming. That is my account. From the account page I need to click on the my account, but the problem here is my account is not something related to the account page already. Okay. So what we have to do here is we'll do one thing, that is account page dot get driver. I need to say how to get the driver from the account page. Go to the account page here, account page. Okay. And here create a method here saying public void, public void, public void get driver. When I say get driver, right, you simply need to return the object reference of the driver, that is web driver. Okay, web driver you have to say, simple, that's it. And here I'll simply say account page dot get driver, and I'll get the driver back here. Okay, I'll get the driver. Why I'm getting this driver, I'll tell you. So I need to now create an object for the header options. Okay, header options page, header options, header options is equal to new header options, and pass the driver here, put a semicolon here, that's it. Put the mouse on this and import this header options from pages. Here we have the header option somewhere. Here, header options. Okay. Now use this header options, sorry, options. Okay. Now copy this header options and simply say, click on my account drop menu. Okay. Like this, we need to click on the my account drop menu. Once you click on the, you see what we are trying to do here is first we are going to this landing page. From the landing page, we are clicking on the my account. From the my account, we are selecting the login option. Once we go to this page, we are entering the email address, we are entering the valid password, existing email and password. We are clicking on the login button. Once we are taken to the account page, then we are clicking on my account with from the header options. Okay, from the header options, we are clicking on the my account, and here next thing is that I need to, in the my account, I need to select the logout option. So let's see header options dot select. Logout option is there, select login option is there, logout option is not there here. Okay, so I'll go to the header options here, header options, and see whether logout option is available or not. All the other options are there, but logout option I don't see. Login option is there, but logout option is not there. I'll create a web element, private web element, logout option. Okay, and here I'll write down at the rate find by. Mostly that will be link text only, guys. Link text is equal to, okay. If you want really, you can inspect also. Inspect this and you will get the link text locator. Most probably it is a link text locator. Copy that and come back here, and that is a link text in between the anchor tags. It is there. Create a method here. Public void select logout option. Okay. Select logout option you have to write. And here write down logout option dot click. But what will happen when you click on the logout option here? Once you select the logout option, you will be taken to which page? Account logout page. Okay. So here is better you return new, account logout page, and pass a driver here. Okay. Is there any account logout page here? Account logout page anywhere created? Account logout page is already there, and I am returning the driver here, and the return type will be account logout page here. Okay. Done. Save this and come back here and simply write down. Now just simply write down select logout option, and this will return you the object reference of the account logout page. So here I'll say account logout page is equal to, and once I do that, I'll simply do what? Okay, what is the next thing? Once I go to the account logout page, what is the next activity? Here I need to verify, guys, users should be taken to the, once I click on the account logout, users should be taken to the account logout page or not. How can we verify that? Whether the, here you see, in the test case, click on my account drop menu, select logout option, verify, expect result 1. As per the user should be taken to the account logout page. How to verify that? Account logit. Here I'll write assert true, assert true, and write down account logout page, dot did we navigate to. That method is not there. Okay, go to the account logout page and create a method here to verify whether we have navigated to the account logout page or not. How to verify that? You can verify with the help of this logout breadcrumb, guys. Logout breadcrumb. Is there any logout breadcrumb here? No, right? Okay, so here I'll create a web element, private web element. In the account logout page, create a private web element and say logout breadcrumb. Okay, logout breadcrumb, and here write down at the rate find by. How to create the locator for this logout breadcrumb? Here, if you see, there is a breadcrumb class. Okay, there is a breadcrumb class. Copy that breadcrumb class and say control F double forward slash UI at the rate class is equal to, okay, at the rate class is equal to, give that class, and under that class double forward slash anchor tag text function is equal to, give logout. Okay, give logout. Okay, give this logout option, copy this XPath expression, and here write down XPath is equal to, give the XPath expression, and simply create a method that is public void. Okay, did we navigate to, did we navigate to, what is that page? Account logout page or not? Okay, account logout page. Okay, like this I'll write. And here, how can I make sure that did we navigate? Dot is displayed, I will say. If this particular breadcrumb is displayed, means return true. Okay, I'll return true if this particular breadcrumb. That means we have successfully navigated to the account logout page. That means, okay, here boolean value, and save this and go back here. And here I'll write down account page dot. Did we navigate to the account logout page or not? Okay. Once you navigate, this particular part is verified now, and user should see the login option in place of the logout under the, user should not see the, okay. Once we go there and click on this, again from this account login logout page, if I click on this, my account, we should see the login and we should not see the logout. Okay, that's what is something. Otherwise, we should see login. If login is visible, logout will not be visible anyhow. One of the things we have to check, how to verify that login option is available there. How to check whether the login option is available there. To check that, in the account logout page, do we have that login option visible or not? To see that, you know, that login option belongs to the header options. Okay. So I need to get the driver here. To get the driver, go to the account logout page and create a method here that is public void, okay, get driver, I'll say get driver. And here I'll write down, if you call this method, it should return driver, guys. Okay, it should return driver. Okay. And yeah, you see, okay, I got some idea here. I'll tell you later. Okay, what I mean. Okay, driver, I'll say. Okay, fine. So what I didn't need to do here is, okay. Hmm. Okay, fine. For now, if something is getting repeated, it's better that we create a parent class for that. Okay. So if something is getting repeated, for example, get driver is getting repeated every page. Okay. I need to create a public web driver, get driver in most of the classes, like, login.java we have created, I think so. You see public void get driver, and also in the register page also, we created similar kind of thing. Public void get driver kind of stuff we created somewhere here. Let's see where exactly we created. It's there somewhere. Public void get driver. Some page we have created, guys. Okay. Most of the pages we are creating the same method, guys. Okay. So what if, you can, make it kind of common for all the pages. So create a new class. I'll just name this as, okay, root page, or give some name, guys. It doesn't mean that you have to give a particular name here. Root page. It doesn't exist. Root page doesn't exist in our application, but we are creating here with a reason. Okay. We are creating that with a reason. Okay. Um, in the root page, create that method. Okay. In the root page, create that method that is public void get driver, public void get driver. And here I need to return the driver. I don't know whether this is possible or not, but I'm trying here. Return web driver. Okay. Okay. Like this I need to do. And this method to be returned, here I'll write down web driver like this. Okay. For the mouse, import this, and if this is inherited into the child class, what will happen? Will it be able to get the driver or not? We have to see. Okay, if this particular method is inherited, and from that method, if you are calling using the object reference of that particular method, child class method, if you are calling this, it should get the driver back, right, for us. Okay, so let's see. I'll make this root page, about us extends root page like this. Okay, about logout page extends root page account page. I don't need this method anymore. I don't need this method anymore to get the driver. Extends root page. Save this. Go to the about us page, extends root page. Okay, and here account logout page. Extends, I have to say, extends root page. Save this. It will, you know, anywhere you see driver kind of stuff, you can remove that. Okay. Account login page. Here also, I'm just checking this at a high level. Okay. Extends root page. Account success page. The account success page, did we get the driver anywhere? Is there any method to get the driver? No. If not, extends root page. Simply extends root page, guys. Okay. Simply extends root page. Copy this. Save this. Affiliate login page. In that also extends root page. Brand page. Extends root page. Like this, guys. You can, it's not like that framework should be same for everyone. Whatever the ideas you are getting, you are implementing that and you are making the things easier. That's the main thing. Extends root page. Anywhere you are returning the driver here. If earlier I have done that, so I'm just checking that. Okay. Extends root page. Then extends root page. Then extends root page. Then extends root page. Extends root page. A lot of pages will be as if, we just copy paste. Here, are we getting the driver anywhere? Okay. Here also I'll say extends root page. Okay. So here from header options, am I getting the driver here anywhere? You see, login. I don't think we are getting a driver anywhere. That's okay. Login page. Then here, extends root page. Done. Landing page is done. Here, login page. Get driver root page. Are we getting the driver anywhere? Yeah, here the method is already there. You just remove that, okay? If it is already there, you just remove that, okay? Because anyhow, it will be inherited from the root page class, okay? Or if you want that root page to be part of, pages, okay? Create two packages here, like package pages.root. Under the root, you just move this root page here, okay? Say that, okay? And under the pages under the root, we have that, and okay. Okay. Pages under the root page, we have this, and remaining all are normal. Okay. That's okay. Where we are actually. Newsletter page. Huh? We copy paste this one, extends root page, import this. Newsletter page is done. The login page, if you go here, it is imported properly or not. Mm, yeah, from pages.root. Okay. Privacy policy page. Here I have to say extends root and import this from a different package. A product returns page. For the mouse, import this from root page, register page. Go to the product returns and privacy policy. I don't think so. It is register page. Go to the register page and here paste it and import this root page and come down here. Get driver from register page. This method we don't have to write anymore. I know this will result in an error in one of the file, that is register.java file. You'll get an error. Where is the error we are getting? Just go here and here. We have to simply say dot get driver. That's it. Okay. Get driver. Okay. That's okay. It will come. The parent class of the register page now has that, and we have rectified the problem, and we are still getting some problem somewhere. You see, wherever you are getting the driver, you just dot get driver. You have to say that's it. Okay, it's a universal get driver now for all the pages. I'm commonly using this get driver here and there. So now going ahead, we should be writing like this: get driver. Here also dot get driver. Put a semicolon. Okay, just copy paste this one otherwise, and just paste it wherever the error is coming. Just paste wherever that error is coming here. Get driver, get driver. Okay, get driver, get driver, get driver, get driver, get driver, then get driver, 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 then get driver, and then get driver. All the get drivers you write down. Dot get driver, dot get driver, get driver. A lot of places I have used this, guys. A lot of places I have used this. Okay. Okay, just getting tied up by copy pasting this one many times. It happens. That's okay. It happens. Okay. When you do a major change, right, this kind of stuff happens. Save all. Is the error still there? All the errors are gone. Only one place the error is there. Here is a place. Save this and save all. Okay. Are there any errors left out? No. So we have went till which page we have went, guys? Register page. And then we have rectified that problem now. The register page is done now. Go and go to the register page and just go down, go up and say extends root page. And here go to the right column options and give root page. Whenever you want to get a driver from a particular page, right, you just need to extend that page, that's it. And you'll be able to get the driver, okay? You just need to extend the root page going ahead and you'll get that method automatically. That is a common method. You don't have to declare that particular or create that method in every page class. Why to repeat the stuff, guys? Okay, this is what is the ideas you have to get while creating the framework, okay? Fine. Now, what is the next thing? Next thing here is I'll go to the logout.java and here driver.get driver account page.get driver is there and here what is the next thing here again I need to verify whether that login option is available under the my account thing that it belongs to the header options again I'll say account logout page dot current page is account logout page. I'll say account logout page dot get driver account logout page dot get driver, put a semicolon here and simply write down driver is equal to, and here I'll write down again header options is equal to new header options. Okay. And the header options, I need to verify whether that login option is visible on the, I need to click on my account drop menu. Account header options, click on my account drop menu. And I need to verify whether that, what is available, what is displayed. We need to verify whether this particular thing is displayed, guys. That is login option is displayed or not. Okay. So I'll just write down header options dot, okay. Select login option is there, but is login option displayed or not is not there. Okay, I need to do that. Go to that which page header options page and header options. And here, do we have the login option already? Yes, login option is there. Public void is login option available. Okay, is login option available. Okay, here login option dot is displayed. Okay, I'll say is displayed, and here I'll say the return type will be boolean. Return I'll say return boolean. I'll say okay boolean return boolean option. Okay, save this. Okay, this is what I need to do, guys. Okay, this I need to do. Save this and go back here. And here I'll write down assert true. Okay, I'll simply say header options dot is login option available. Okay, if it is available, the test will pass here. Okay, then user should be taken to the home page. When next thing is that I need to click on the continue button on this. Okay, then I need to get the driver again. Okay, from which page I need to get the header options dot get driver I'll say, and I'll get the driver back again, and I need to create the object for the. Currently, I'm on the account logout page also, account logout page only. On the account logout page, I need to click on the continue button now. Account logout page, I need to click on the continue button. Account logout page is equal to new. I just need to create like this new account logout page and pass the driver here. Once you is that correct? Account logout page, account logout page, account logout page. I'm not getting this. Import account logout page. You have to import this, otherwise you'll not get. That's okay. Now I need to click on the account logout page. Account logout page. Dot. I need to click on my account drop menu user. I need to click on the continue button on the account logout page. I don't know whether in the account logout page we have created that web element or not. Go to the account logout page. Go to the account logout page and create a web element here for the continue button. Private web element web element continue button put a semicolon here and create at the rate find by I need to inspect this continue button, and here write down continue button, and here write down, here some class is there, class locator I'll take, control F double forward slash A at the rate class is equal to, at the rate class is equal to, and here I need to say text function is equal to continue. Okay, text function is equal to continue. I'll say continue here, continue square bracket. Okay, then this will locate the continue button, guys. Copy this XPath expression, and simply write down XPath is equal to. Okay, now I need to click on the continue button. So simply I'll write down public void, click on. Okay, here get driver method is there. You can remove that, guys. Okay, you can remove that because this particular method class is extending the root page, so you don't have to create that. Okay, so here write down, click on continue, click on continue button, guys. Click on continue button, and here write down continue button dot click, continue button dot click. So when I click on the continue button on the account logout page, I should be taken to the home page. So here I need to return the object reference of the home page, that is landing page actually. Home page is nothing but the landing page. Okay, you can also call it as home page also. Okay, it is a landing page. Pass the driver here, and here return type should be landing page. Okay, once you click on the continue button, this should be the case. And here go back here and write down account page dot click on continue button. I should return you the object reference of the landing page. I'll just simply say landing page is equal to, and simply write down assert dot, have you navigated to the home page or not? That is, have you navigated to the landing page or home page or not? Assert assert dot assert, sorry, let me write it again. Assert true landing page dot, uh, did we landing page dot, is there any method for navigate checking whether we are on the landing page or not? I think that that method is not there, but we have done whether we are on the landing page in a different way. That is, landing page dot get. Okay, there is something, guys. Mm, the method actually. Okay, I'll tell you what is that method. Assert dot assert true, and here on the right side, what is the expected URL from the properties file? We'll get that expected URL. Go to the properties file, guys. Go to the properties file, and here that is landing page URL. We have to say where is the landing page URL? Login page URL. This is and landing page URL. Copy this property name, landing page URL. Copy this. Go back here, and here write down prop dot expected URL is this one. Get property, prop dot get property, and give the property name, that is landing page URL. You should get this should be the landing page URL. I think that is the thing, right? Root common slash home. Yeah, I think this looks good. Okay. Then the next thing here is we need using the actual script. I need to get the URL of the page. For getting the URL of the page, I'll go to the base once. I'll go to the base and see if there is a method here we created in the base class to call to get the URL, get page URL. Okay, just call this method in the logout. Call this method, guys. Okay, call this method and pass the driver here. That's it. Okay, get page URL and it's returning the string one only. Sorry, asset equals I have to write here. Sorry, that is my mistake. Asset equals, and that's it, guys. Get URL of driver if you say, and you'll get the URL of the current page that is there on the application, and let's see that. Okay, fine. Okay, so like this you can give. Otherwise, you can also give like this landing page dot get driver. Also, you can give that will give you the driver, and using that by passing the driver, we are getting that. Okay, this is also fine. There are different ways of doing this, and if this is also fine, the test need to pass, guys. Okay, user should be taken to the home page, and that's all, guys. The browser need to close here, and all those stuff should happen. Save this, guys. Save this, and now let's run the test here. I'll run the test individually, guys. Okay, I'll run the test individually. Later, I'll run it for extend reports and all. For now, I'll run the test here itself. Okay, I'll just run the test here to see whether it is individually working fine or not. Okay, so the script will run in the Firefox browser. That's okay. It's opening the application URL, getting logged in. Yeah, what is happening here? Looks like the script is not working. It's not clicking on the my account and selecting the logout option here. Is there any problem already came? Yes, problem already came. Okay, what is the problem here? I don't know what is the problem we are getting. But let's find out where exactly we are getting the problem. Logout dot 46th line. Sorry, stop this. Okay, the results are gone. Okay, let me run it again. Script is not working. So we have to rectify what is the problem here. Logout 46th line. Go to the 46th line and see what exactly is the problem is. Okay, here I'm getting the driver from the account page and that driver, but maybe that driver is not working fine. Okay, otherwise it would have worked fine. The driver may not be working fine here. So I'll do one thing. I'll just make a small change and as an experiment I'll do to see what exactly is going wrong here. I'll go to the account page and where is the account page? Account page and create a method here. Intentionally I'll create a method to override the previous one. Public void get driver. So I'm trying to inherit this and return driver I'll say, but that was not working here. And here I'll simply say web driver, save this, save this guys, and just go down here. And now this driver is completely different. Let's see in which line we were getting the exception earlier. 46th line we are getting the exception. That is 46 means this one. I don't know whether the driver is working fine or not. Now let's see whether script is going forward or it's stopping there itself. Whether we'll come to know what is the mistake that we have done. It's okay to do the mistakes, guys. Rectify them. But we have to figure out a solution and until the things are working fine here, okay? Yeah, it's working fine now. Again, it stopped. Again, the same issue may come here. So here the problem here is very simple, guys. That is whenever we are getting driver right, okay. So it's asking us to create the get driver method from this. Is there any way I can overcome this problem where, still I'll be able to create that get driver method in the thing, okay? What I can do here is when I create an object for the any page, automatically the constructor of this should be, you know, okay, I'll create a constructor here that is public root page constructor. Here I'll say web driver driver, and here I'll simply say this dot driver is equal to driver. Okay, this dot driver is equal to driver, and here, okay, if I do create this kind of constructor and save all, you see all the pages, we are getting the error here because here we need to call the parent class driver. Okay, parent thing. This dot driver is called driver is there, and here I have to say super of driver. Okay, super of driver I have to call. Okay, the super class constructor will be called and that will be initialized with the same driver. Okay, root page it will go that and super of driver here and save all. Once that is done, go here and write the same thing. Super of driver account page super of the same driver. You see, this all the things you need to make sure you change it. Okay, and see if this is working or not. Okay, we have to take this as a challenge and modify all this stuff until the things work. Okay, until the things work we have to do all this stuff. Maybe the parent class constructor is not getting initialized with the driver and because of which that kind of error was coming for us. Okay, but if you overcome this problem we'll know how to. Why did we have implemented super will call the super class constructor. There is super class constructor is root page. Okay, that will be called here. From all the page classes I need to call the super class constructor in the root page. Okay, then only the driver will be initialized with this page class driver and the things will be working fine. Save all. Otherwise, it's not taking the actual driver that we wanted. Super of driver and yeah, save this. Just save this. Let's see if it works, then good. Otherwise, we have to find out any other solution is there or not. Okay. Okay. I got one more idea. I'll tell you what exactly is the idea. For of driver, I'll initialize like this and save this. Save this. Save this. Let's run this, and after this, we'll implement that another idea I got in this project. Okay. So here, naturally, the framework concepts are getting implemented, guys. I don't have to take a break for take implementing the framework concepts while solving the problems itself. The framework concepts are getting implemented. Close all for now, and go to the logout dot Java, and here simply here in this account page we created that get driver method, right? Somewhere here we created the get driver again to overcome the problem again. What is that page? Sorry, account page, I think so. Where is account page? Account page, we created this get driver method again to overcome the problem. Now let's see, after creating that constructor, is the problem solved or not? Let's see. I'll go with the normal way and run the script without that overriding of the get driver method to see whether the script is working fine or not. If yes, we are good. Yeah, it's working fine then. Now it's working fine, guys. Okay. That is got passed and it's working fine. Now I got one more doubt. That is if I go to, it's already in the root page, driver is already there in a different package. It's already there in a different package actually. Okay. It's there in a different package. So what I can do here is for this to be accessible everywhere, I need to say public here. Okay. Public I need to mention and go to the about us page. And what if I remove this one? It will be anyhow inherited, right? I'm just checking that to see whether it will work fine or not. Okay. Why should I have to declare driver? Okay. It's a common thing for all the page classes, right? That's what I'm thinking in my mind. So whatever the common things that are repeating, right, I'm removing from the script. So it is a good thing to remove. And it's part of the root page now. Driver is declared at the root page level and it will be inherited in the child class and it will be initialized and all those stuff. Okay. Yeah. The next one, this one, the next one, this one. Keep on going, keep on going. We are doing a lot of changes to our framework, guys, which are happening naturally. This I cannot explain by building a framework separately without this real time scripts, right? You see, this happens in real time. Okay, this is how the people keep on modifying the framework and taking that to the next level. When you keep on writing a lot of automation code, right, the frameworks get evolved. Okay, because of these kind of things, you will see a lot of repetitions happening, and you will get some ideas and you'll implement them, and the framework simply changes. No one can explain that this is a framework and you have to by heart it. Okay, the framework will come like this. Okay, the framework concepts will come like this. Yeah, just go here and yeah, sitemap page and just go here, special offers page and go here, then terms and conditions page and simply go here, save all. Let's see whether this works fine still after removing the driver from the child classes of the page classes. Is it working fine or not? I want to see the results. Okay. So for that, I'll run this and see whether it is working fine. If it is working fine, the things are good. Okay. If it is working fine, the things are good, guys. Whatever we have done is perfectly fine if this is working fine. Yeah, it's working fine. All the things are going well. Okay. So all good, guys. All good. All good. We have successfully done this. I'll upload the code, guys. I'll upload the code. So far, I have modified a lot of stuff here, and let me upload the code here so that you can access this code. Let me upload the code here. I'll go to the C drive and go to the my my place where from where we'll upload the code. Okay. Don't worry about this process. I'll explain this later. Okay. What commands, why I'm using all this stuff. I'm just uploading the code. That's it. Okay. Now from where you can get this code, whatever the code I have created so far, I'm uploading that code, guys. From where you can get the code. For getting the code, guys, just go to the new incognito window and here search for GitHub Arun Motori. GitHub space my name, that is Arun Motori is my name. And just go here to this link and here go to the repositories. Once you go to the repositories, you'll see this live automation Selenium Java projects. Click on that. In that, you go to the SRC. Okay, and in that src go to the test, in that go to the sorry into go to that java, guys, not resources, go to java here. Once you go to the java, go to tutorials ninja, in that go to test in that, go to logout. This is the code we have written so far. Okay, this is the code I have written in this, and a lot of the things you see. You can see the structure on the left side. Entire project structure is there on the left side. You can navigate from anywhere you want. Okay, fine. So that's all, guys. That's all for this session. Okay, we have learned something new in this session, and we did some changes to the framework also. Things are going well so far. Things are going well so far, and we have completed automating the first test case. Many other test cases we need to automate as part of the logout function. Total 11 only are there, guys. We don't have so many. 11 are there. In that, one is already completed. 10 more test cases are there. Maybe since we have automated one of them, I think automating the remaining may become faster. Maybe that we'll see in the next few sessions. Okay. So that's all for this session, guys. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.